The purpose of health insurance is to serve your medical needs in case of any medical emergency. How does this actually work? You make a claim when a medical emergency occurs. Let's understand the concept of claim in simple terms. Claim is a request for compensation for medical expenses incurred for treatment, illness, accident, or other covered medical conditions by an insured person. Generally, claims are further classified into two categories: cashless and reimbursement. While initiating a claim request in health insurance, you need to have the following documents handy: your health insurance card, your policy document, discharge summary, final bill, and breakup of your charges, medicine bills, test bills, investigation report such as blood test, scans, and doctor's prescription. And for ID proof, you have to have your Aadhaar and PAN. Usually, cashless claims get settled within 2 to 6 hours of claiming your insurance. Whereas reimbursement take 7 to 15 working days after providing all the required documents for claim. While claiming your health insurance, ensure that you inform the insurance company within 24 hours of hospitalization. Keep all the bills, receipt, prescription, reports, and other required document ready. Never miss the timeline. Always follow the timelines. Once after providing all the document to the insurance company, a separate team known as underwriting team basically reviews all your claims document, verifies the expenses and determines whether the treatment is covered under the policy, and also finalize the amount to be settled. This team also approves your claim based on your policy clause. Let's quickly jump into some of the do's and don'ts in claim. On the do's side, inform the insurance company in advance. Keep all your documents ready. On the don't side, never delay filing your claim. If a valid claim is denied, appeal for the claim. Now comes the question: what should be done if your claim is rejected? First, you have to ask your insurer for the reason of rejection in writing. File a reconsideration with missing or corrected documents in case if the documents are required to process the claim. If a valid claim is rejected, you can write to grievance cell. Approach insurance ombudsman for resolution. Always ensure that you disclose pre-existing disease to your insurance provider to avoid unnecessary rejection in your claim. Health insurance is a safety net, but claim process should not be a mystery. Claiming insurance is at times harder than you think. With a professional's advice, you can process insurance claim smoothly. If you need help in your policy review or just to understand your insurance better, we at M2W are always here to guide you.